Hello guys, today I'm going to explain about the modern methods of extraction. The first one you have is the supercritical fluid extractor. Okay, that is also known as SCFE. Okay, supercritical fluid extractor. So let us understand. So what is this exactly? So it is a process of separating one component from the other component, that we are talking about the phytoconstituents. Okay, so here we are going to separate the phytoconstituent from one another by using what? SCF. Okay, what is this SCF? That is nothing but supercritical fluid. Okay, so now let us understand what is SCF. So these are the main important things. So first thing is, it is the process of separating one component from other component by using SCF. Okay, now let us understand what is SCF. So SCF is a fluid or the substance at the temperature or pressure above the critical point. We have a critical point. I guess in pharmaceutical engineering you have heard about the critical point, right? So above the critical point, okay, if you apply the pressure and temperature, so what happens is the particular substance is going to doesn't show exact the same state. Okay, so it is going to we are not able to distinguish. Okay, we are not able to distinguish the particular substance above this critical point has whether it has a gas or liquid. We are not able to distinguish them. Okay, that is what here it is written. It is a substance at a temperature and a pressure above the critical point, does not exist, has distinct liquid or gaseous phase, but has both properties of gas as well as liquid. So here above this critical point, so the substance is going to show both the properties of gas as well as liquid. That is what. Okay, so here in this diagram I'm going to explain what exactly that is going to happen in the supercritical fluid extraction process. Okay, listen keenly. Okay, so here we have only 4 components here. Okay, first you are seeing is the extractor. Okay, extractor is nothing but where you are going to dump the plant material into the extractor for the extraction process to happen. Okay, so this is the extractor that you are seeing. Okay, so first what happens, okay, with the high pressure you are going to take the carbon dioxide. Here we are going to use carbon dioxide. Okay, we are going to pump carbon dioxide at high pressure into the extractor. Already in the extractor we have taken the plant material, and now with a high pressure carbon dioxide is pumped into the extractor, right? So already you know that this carbon dioxide here, it is going to act as both the liquid as well as gaseous phase. So here it has both the properties of liquid and gaseous phase, thereby the extraction process occurs very rapidly. Okay, from the extraction, okay, from the extractor the extraction has happened. Now from the extractor, now the carbon dioxide along with the solute, okay, whatever the compounds have been extracted, like it along with this substance, it is going to move here. Okay, so along with the carbon dioxide, the solute, okay, whatever the substance or the components that have been extracted, that will be moving along here. Okay, you can see the arrow indication here. Okay, so next it is going to move into the pressure reduction pump. So why here the pressure has to be reduced? Because here the carbon dioxide is pumped at a high pressure. Now it has to be reduced here. Okay, now it has been reduced and sent into the separator over here. Okay, here the carbon dioxide has been reduced and the components free carbon dioxide is again recirculated into these pumps. Okay, you can see carbon dioxide at a low pressure again pumped into these pumps, and hereby the process repeats. Okay, you can collect the compounds from the separator over here. So this is a simple diagrammatic representation of supercritical fluid extraction. Okay, let me repeat again. Okay, first you are going to put all your plant material to be extracted over here. Next you are going to pump the carbon dioxide at a high pressure into the extractor. Okay, after the extraction has been completed, the carbon dioxide along with the solute, that is our desired phytoconstituents, will move along to the pressure reduction pump, because here the carbon dioxide is pumped at a high pressure. Now this pressure will be reduced here, and now it is going to move into a separator. Here the carbon dioxide pressure is lowered, right? So here the lowered components free carbon dioxide is pumped again or recycled into this pumps. Okay, and again it has been recirculated throughout the process. From here the separator, you are going to collect the phytochemicals that you have decided. So this is nothing but supercritical fluid process.